High on the east cliff, overlooking the North Sea, stands Whitby Abbey. This isn't just any historical site. The skeletal remains of this once great monastery exude a haunting beauty. Whitby Abbey has inspired artists, writers, and dreamers for centuries. Its crumbling walls whisper tales of a rich past, intertwined with legends of saints, vampires, and ghostly apparitions. The Abbey's dramatic silhouette against the often stormy Yorkshire sky is instantly recognisable. It's a sight that sends shivers down your spine, in a good way. Whether bathed in sunshine or shrouded in mist, Whitby Abbey captivates the imagination. Join us as we delve into the history and hauntings of this remarkable place. Founded in 657 AD, Whitby Abbey has witnessed over 1,300 years of history. Its ancient stones have seen the rise and fall of kingdoms, the ebb and flow of religious tides, and the passage of countless generations. King Oswy of Northumbria granted the land to Lady Hilda, a devout Christian. This act of generosity was not just a gift of land, but a foundation for a spiritual and educational beacon in the medieval world. She established a double monastery here, home to both monks and nuns. This unique arrangement fostered a community of shared faith and learning, where men and women lived, worked, and prayed side by side. Whitby Abbey quickly became a renowned centre of learning. Scholars from far and wide came to study its manuscripts, and its scriptorium was a hive of intellectual activity, producing texts that would influence generations. The Synod of Whitby, a pivotal event in English Christianity, took place here in 664 AD. This council was crucial in determining the future direction of the English Church, aligning it more closely with Roman practices. The abbey thrived for centuries. It was a bustling centre of religious life, a place of pilgrimage, and a symbol of spiritual authority and community. It was dissolved in 1539 by King Henry VIII during the dissolution of the monasteries. This dramatic event marked the end of an era, as many religious houses across England were dismantled. Despite this dramatic end, the abbey's story continued. Its ruins stood as silent witnesses to history, drawing the curious and the creative alike. Its ruins became a source of inspiration for artists and writers, including the celebrated Bram Stoker. The haunting beauty of the abbey's remains played a key role in his creation of the iconic Dracula. Today, Whitby Abbey stands as a testament to its enduring legacy. Visitors from around the world come to marvel at its grandeur and to reflect on its storied past. It's a place where history and legend collide. The abbey's presence continues to inspire awe and wonder, a timeless monument to the rich tapestry of human history. Walking among the ruins of Whitby Abbey is an evocative experience, one that transports you back in time. You can almost hear the echoes of chanting monks and the clatter of daily life, as if the walls themselves are alive with memories. The towering arches of the nave still reach for the heavens, a testament to the abbey's former grandeur and the ambition of its builders. The west front, with its intricate stonework, hints at the abbey's architectural significance, showcasing the skill and artistry of medieval craftsmen. Despite the ravages of time and the elements, enough of the abbey's structure remains to inspire awe and wonder at what once was. You can explore the chapter house, where the monks once met, to discuss matters of faith and community. The imposing north transept still stands defiant, a silent guardian of the abbey's storied past. Each stone seems to whisper stories of the past, tales of devotion, struggle, and perseverance. Whitby Abbey is a place where you can truly feel the weight of history, a place that invites reflection and reverence for those who came before us. No exploration of Whitby Abbey would be complete without mentioning its profound connection to Bram Stoker's iconic novel, Dracula. Stoker visited Whitby in 1890, and the Abbey's haunting presence left an indelible mark on his imagination. The eerie atmosphere, combined with the town's rich history, provided the perfect backdrop for his Gothic masterpiece. During his stay, he supposedly discovered the name Dracula after reading about Vlad III Dracula, also known as Vlad the Impaler, in the Whitby Library. This historical figure's dark and fearsome reputation intrigued Stoker and influenced his creation of the Vampire Count. Stoker even set a crucial scene of his novel in the Abbey's graveyard, where the ancient tombstones and crumbling ruins added to the novel's chilling ambience. In Dracula, the vampire makes a dramatic entrance by leaping ashore in the form of a black dog, a creature often associated with supernatural omens. He then scrambles up the 199 steps to the Abbey ruins, a journey that adds to the suspense and mystery of the story. The novel's enduring popularity has cemented Whitby Abbey's status as a place of Gothic romance and chilling tales. Its dramatic architecture and atmospheric setting continue to captivate visitors. Today, fans of the novel from around the world flock to Whitby, eager to walk in the footsteps of Stoker and his legendary creation. They seek to experience the atmosphere that so vividly inspired Stoker, hoping to capture a glimpse of the magic and mystery that birthed one of literature's most enduring horror stories. Whitby Abbey is steeped in legend and folklore, much of it centered around the supernatural. The most famous ghost story is that of Lady Hilda herself. Legend has it that she can be seen at night, her white robes billowing in the wind as she patrols the Abbey grounds. She ensures everything is in order. Another popular ghost story is that of Constance de Beverley. Constance was a nun at the Abbey in the 12th century. She was falsely accused of a crime and walled up alive within the Abbey walls. Visitors and staff alike have reported seeing her ghostly figure, still searching for release from her unjust imprisonment. Just a stone's throw from the Abbey lies Whitby's ancient churchyard. Overlooking the town and the sea, it's an atmospheric spot, to say the least. The weathered headstones, some dating back centuries, bear witness to countless lives lived and lost. It's no surprise that the graveyard is said to be one of the most haunted places in England. Visitors have reported strange noises. Unexplained shadows move amongst the graves. Some even claim to have felt a ghostly touch. The proximity of the graveyard to the already imposing Abbey only adds to the sense of mystery. It's a place where the veil between the living and the dead seems tantalizingly thin. Whitby Abbey isn't just a collection of old stones. It's a place where history comes alive. The Abbey's dramatic ruins and its connection to Bram Stoker's Dracula make it a popular destination for fans of the Gothic and macabre. But there's something more to Whitby Abbey than just its spooky reputation. Perhaps it's the breathtaking views of the North Sea. Or maybe it's the sense of peace that pervades the Abbey grounds, despite its turbulent past. Whatever the reason, Whitby Abbey continues to draw visitors from all over the world. They come to explore its history, immerse themselves in its legends, and experience its unique atmosphere. Whitby Abbey stands as a powerful reminder of the passage of time. Its crumbling walls have witnessed centuries of history, from its founding as a monastery to its current status as a beloved and slightly eerie tourist destination. The Abbey's connection to Bram Stoker's Dracula has only enhanced its allure. It cemented its place in popular culture. Whether you're a history buff, a literature enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates a good ghost story, Whitby Abbey is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a place where history, legend, and the imagination collide. It's a must-see destination for anyone visiting the Yorkshire coast. Whitby Abbey is managed by English Heritage. It's open to the public year-round. Guided tours are available. Special events and exhibitions are held throughout the year. Check the English Heritage website for up-to-date information on opening times. Don't forget to explore the nearby Whitby Museum. It houses a fascinating collection of artifacts related to the Abbey and the town's history. And if you're feeling brave, join one of the many ghost walks that depart from the town centre. They will guide you through the Abbey's shadowy past and introduce you to its resident spirits.